So actually to today's project, we're going to be replacing both of our belts on this 2005 Kia Sedona, so stand by and let's do it. Okay, I need to move the right tire here on the passenger side, right front tire, to get to my belts. I'm going to put my other safety jack in place. Safety first. My tire off here. Panel off with black scar off of there. Let's have these bolts out here. I have a 11 millimeter. Come right out. This is 2 pieces. Just like that. I don't know if you can see that, but those belts are in bad shape. Like they can pop at any time. So I got better access to them. Really bad shape. See how cracked that is? That's got to go. Okay, I had to loosen this screw here. And the one that's behind. The one that's behind and the one that's on the side right here. And my belt is loose. On the other belt, I believe there's an adjustment screw about here. Right under there. So we're going to try both of those out and see what happens. Some perspective here. Have to take a pole to put over my socket handle and pull back on it to get that loose. It wouldn't come out from the bottom. The screw wouldn't off the pulley. So with my brother's help, I was able to get that off, but I had to remove my air inlet housing. I had to take the pulley off from the top. And it came right off. This is the belt that's going over the compressor. Here on this pulley of the screw under the bottom, and I got the pulley off here. Took a 9/16 socket. So let's just replace both belts here. How you got them off? I dropped me a diagram on some paper. Just want to make sure you remember how the belts go back on. I dropped me a diagram with some paper here. Okay, we got everything loose. My little brother, he was able to put the right socket on there and pull it from the bottom. On the top, we just had to remove air inlet. It was in the way when I was trying to get the tension bar for the plumbing pipe that I had on there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get these belts off here. Take that off from the top. My first one. And we got the first one off, the outer belt rather. This belt was in bad shape. Look at that. I've never seen a belt that was that bad of a shape. I was afraid to drive. It's going to pop on me. Really dry and it's cracked. The whole belt is cracked like this. Both of them. Make sure my replacement belt is the same. They look identical. Looks the same. Same length. Move right along. Before I put that back, I gotta take off the inner belt here. I believe this one is over the water pump. Take that one off also. But I had to get the other one off first, so I got that loose. Let's take that off. Okay, putting on my smaller belt that goes over the water pump. Just slide it across the big pulley here. There's a pulley behind that one. Well, this connects behind there. Slide it over here. And across the last pulley in the back. And we got that one on. Tighten that. We're gonna tighten the screw here, under there, and that one. But let's get the other one on out. Putting my tension back on my belt here in the rear. Gonna tighten this screw that's gonna put the tension back on the belt, then we're gonna tighten that so to hold it in place. So we're gonna tighten this one, get it to move. Tension on it. I'm going to tighten the other one to get it to stay where it goes. We're going to tighten up this little pulley here. Got that extension. Make sure, double check it, make sure it's going in the right direction. Looks good. This is pushing this pulley up. I'm sorry, it's crossing this. Push it. Okay, I got both belts back on. I had to loosen this screw here and the screw that's underneath to release the tension. And if you take it all the way off, the pulley comes off too. But you loose this one and that one underneath for the belt that's going across my compressor there. And the belt. And these are 10mm bolts. I had to remove my little air intake housing here. A bolt here, and on the other side right there, and loosen up this clamp. This whole piece came off, and I was able to have this space to put my bar there